my name is Sanjeevani Bhilande, and this is my book. It is called Meera and Me. The book has a foreword by filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt, and it has a little page of introduction by Gulzar Sahab. The book has illustrations that I have got specially custom made, paintings by an artist, Nirmal Sharma from Udaipur. And the poems are written in calligraphy by Hemant Rabandale. So that's the physical side of the book. And I am very inspired by Meera because especially when I had read somewhere that Meera says, I am soul, I am not body. मैं आत्मन हूँ, मैं शरीर नहीं हूँ. When I read that, it just liberated me from the confines of the limitations of my physical form, and I wanted every woman in the world to know that this is such a liberating thought that my identity is that, not that of just that of my body. Yes, I am a beautiful woman, but I am also my talent, I'm also my intellect, I'm also so much more than being a body, a beautiful body. And I think this is why Meera is extremely important. She has the potential of being a global icon and inspiring millions of women all over the world. That is why I translated Meera's poems in English. And I relate to Meera on three planes: one as a woman, one as an artist, and thirdly as a seeker. The original songs are, the poems are written in Marwari and my translations are in English, and I call them songslation because they are in song format. Meera wrote very musically, her lyrics, they are lyrics, they are very singable. So therefore my translations are also songs, and there is a CD that comes along with the book, and now the songs are online on all the OTT platforms. There are videos on YouTube that I have made and I have sung because I am a singer as well. And this journey has been immensely satisfying. It has been very inspiring. Wherever I have sung the songs of from this book, read out the poems and explained my whole journey, I have received tremendous feedback. A lot of women have felt inspired, and a lot of even men have loved the concept of Meera's Magan Bhav, which is an engrossed state, Meera's Prem Bhav, her selfless, passionate, very feminine love for an unseen God, and her Mukt Bhav, which is she was very cool, she was bindas, she sang and danced in public, and nobody called her a tawayaf, or she was loved. And today when we remember Meera, a smile comes to our lips and we feel very inspired. And her identity after 500 years is that of a beautiful soul, and I think if that is something every woman can achieve, there won't be any exploitation of women in the whole world. And that is my mission, to take Meera to the world. That is why this translation. I can show you a little glimpse of the book. It's a very beautifully designed book, designed by Nutan Asgaukar, and the illustrations, for example, for every song are like this. These are the poems are the original Marwari. The Hindi is written, Devanagari is written in calligraphy in the original font, and the English is also written by Hemant in calligraphy, and these are the paintings by Nirmal Kumar. So I'm going to read out some of the poems. Rather, I can sing them out for you. There is Meera says, "Jo tum todo piya, main nahi todu re." So the translation goes, "Even if you break off, honey, I will not. If I were to break off, I won't tie the knot." So there is a little play of words between honey, I will not, N-O-T, and I won't tie the knot, that is K-N-O-T. So let me show it to you and I'll sing the song for you. There is also another song which says, Payo ji maine Ram Ratan Dhan payo is the original, and the English is, "A radiant ruby is my find." So Ram Ratan, the alliteration of the letter R, I have kept in the English as well, because radiant ruby is Ram Ratan. He blessed me with a gem divine and took me in his care so kind. A radiant ruby is my find. That's the poem. So I'm going to read out the break off song. This is the break off song here. जो तुम तोड़ो पिया मैं नहीं तोड़ू रे, तो सुप्रीत तोड़ पिया कौन संग जोड़ू रे, कौन संग जोड़ू रे. Even if you break off, honey, I will not. If I were to break off, I'd never tie the knot. I'd never tie the knot. If you were a tree, I'd be a little birdie. If you were the sea, Lord of fish I would be. Lord of fish I would be. तुम भई तरुवर, मैं भई पंछिया. तुम भई सरोवर, मैं तेरी मछिया. मैं तेरी मछिया. जो तुम तोड़ो पिया मैं नाही तोड़ू रे, तो सुप्रीत तोड़ पिया कौन संग जोड़ो रे, कौन संग जोड़ो रे. तुम भई मोती प्रभु जी, हम भई धागा. तुम भई सोना, हम भई सुहागा. हम भई सुहागा. If you were a pearl, Lord, I'd be the string. If you were gold, I'd be the shimmering. I'd be the shimmering. जो तुम तोड़ो पिया मैं नहीं तोड़ू रे, तो सुप्रीत तोड़ पिया कौन संग जोड़ू रे. Even if you break off, honey, I will not. If I were to break off, I'd never tie the knot. I'd never tie the knot. So I'm very thankful to the Mompreneur Circle for accepting my book as a part of your Women Authors campaign, because this book is, I think, perfect for women authors, because it's an inspiration. Meera is an inspiration for all of us.